Hi guys, I am Dan. Welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this video you learn about jQuery Animate. The jQuery Animate is a method that creates a custom animation. If you observe, I have an image and I have a width of 400 pixels. Then I have three buttons. If you observe, three IDs, zoom in, zoom out and stop, or select it, and then the image with ID img. And when I press on zoom in, I want to increase the width of the image. When I press zoom out, I want to decrease the width. Okay, and now let's write what I said. Zoom in, then click, and then implement the function. And I want to increase the width of the image. To do this, select the image and then the animate function. Okay. And the first parameter are the properties you want to change. I want to change the width, okay, and you want to increase. That means you want to add to the current size a new size, okay. After I click the button, the size will become 500 because I have 400, okay. And also you can specify a speed, okay, let's say 1 second, and let's test it. And if you see, when I press, I increase with 100 pixels. And now let's do zoom out button. When I click on this button, I want to implement a function. Okay, you select the image, then animate. Again, you have the width, but this time you want to decrease. Okay. That means minus equal 100 pixels. Okay. And then you specify the speed. And let's see. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom out. Okay. And now let's try the stop. You have the stop button. When you click on stop, you want to stop the animation. Okay. And the function is very easy, just write stop. Okay, and let's see when I press zoom in. Okay, if you observe, it's hard to see, but if I change here to 5 seconds, if you observe, now the size it's increased very slow. And now when I press stop, if you observe, it's stop. Okay. Okay, this depends by the speed of the zoom. Okay, I think this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.